Safety grab. The safety grab is performed by grabbing the outside edge of the ski directly under or slightly in front of the binding using the hand on the same side of the body. Left hand grabs left ski, right hand grabs right ski. This grab is usually the first one skiers learn because it keeps the body in a naturally balanced position and does not require extreme flexibility or rotation. Safety grabs are extremely useful when learning spins because they help stabilize the upper body and keep rotation consistent. While the grab itself is considered more fundamental than flashy, a well-executed safety can still look incredibly clean when properly tweaked. Good skiers avoid simply touching the ski and instead hold the grab with confidence while extending or bending their legs to create style. Safety grabs also help with air awareness because the symmetrical body position allows skiers to spot landings earlier. In competition settings, judges expect safety grabs to be clearly visible and properly held, otherwise they lose value. The grab may not be known as the most steezy option, but a slow, floaty spin with a strong tweak can still make it look smooth and controlled. Mute grab. The mute grab involves reaching across the body with the front hand and grabbing the outside edge of the opposite ski under the binding area. This cross-body movement forces the skier to slightly rotate their shoulders and hips, which naturally creates a more stylish body position compared to a safety grab. Mute grabs are extremely versatile and can be used in almost every type of spin or flip because they maintain strong balance while adding visible style. One of the biggest reasons mute grabs are respected is their tweak potential. Skiers often push their legs sideways while holding the grab to exaggerate posture and create a stretched silhouette in the air. A properly tweaked mute is often considered one of the cleanest looking grabs in freestyle skiing. The grab also allows skiers to maintain strong control over rotation speed since the cross-body reach helps regulate momentum. When done poorly, mute grabs can look rushed or cramped, but when held confidently, they show strong technical ability and overall comfort in the air. Japan grab. The Japan grab is performed by reaching across with the front hand and grabbing the inside edge of the opposite ski, usually closer toward the tip. This grab forces the skier into a stretched and twisted posture that naturally produces one of the most visually appealing shapes in freestyle skiing. The Japan grab is widely considered one of the steeziest grabs because of its classic freestyle appearance and its connection to traditional, style-focused skiing. When tweaked properly, the skier extends one leg while pulling the other inward, creating a strong contrast between the skis and upper body. Japan grabs require solid flexibility and timing because reaching toward the inside edge near the tip forces the skier to fully commit to the position. The grab works especially well during slower spins and floaty airs where the body position can be clearly seen. A rushed Japan grab loses its elegance, but a well-held and tweaked Japan often becomes a highlight moment in edits and competitions. Nose grab. The nose grab is executed by grabbing near the front section of the ski close to the tip, typically with the front hand. This grab compresses the skier's body forward, forcing knees to bend and the upper body to move toward the skis. Nose grabs are respected for their strong visual control because they show the skier actively bringing the skis upward rather than reaching downward. When performed during spins, nose grabs often highlight stability and confidence since the compact posture helps regulate rotation speed. Many skiers focus on holding nose grabs for extended airtime to demonstrate full trick commitment. Properly executed nose grabs create a clean and powerful silhouette, especially during corked or off-axis rotations. The grab requires careful balance because leaning too far forward can compromise landing alignment. Nose grabs are considered stylish when performed smoothly and held long enough to clearly define the position. Blunt grab. The blunt grab is performed by grabbing the tail of the outside ski with the backhand while often extending the other ski forward or outward. This grab is heavily associated with style-focused freestyle skiing and is often considered one of the steeziest grabs in the sport. The blunt grab creates a relaxed yet confident body posture that gives the impression of effortless control. Skiers frequently exaggerate leg extension while holding the grab to create a strong visual contrast between skis. Blunt grabs are especially popular in slower spins and floaty airs where style and body positioning become the main focus. The grab requires strong shoulder mobility and core strength to maintain balance while reaching backward. When held cleanly, blunt grabs produce a classic freestyle aesthetic that is widely respected across skiing culture. Tail grab. The tail grab is performed by reaching backward and grabbing the tail of one ski with either hand. This grab demands strong body awareness because reaching behind the body can easily shift weight distribution and disrupt balance. Tail grabs are strongly connected to classic freestyle skiing and are often associated with smooth, laid-back riding styles. When skiers fully extend their legs forward while pulling the tail upward toward their hand, the grab creates a stretched and controlled visual effect. Tail grabs are especially effective in straight airs and slower rotations where the skier has time to emphasize extension and tweak. Many experienced skiers consider tail grabs stylish because they require commitment and strong confidence in air control. Light or rushed tail taps usually look unintentional, but when held properly, they display excellent posture and stability. Tail grabs also encourage skiers to maintain upright upper body positioning, which improves overall trick cleanliness. Truck driver. The truck driver grab involves grabbing both skis simultaneously near the tips with both hands, resembling the position of holding a steering wheel. This grab is extremely visible and easily recognizable from long distances, which makes it popular in big jumps and competition settings. Truck drivers require strong coordination because both hands must reach forward while maintaining symmetrical ski positioning. The grab naturally forces the skier into a compressed forward stance that can help stabilize straight airs and cork rotations. While truck drivers are often viewed as more playful than traditionally steezy, they remain crowd favorites due to their bold appearance and strong visual clarity. Proper execution requires equal pressure on both skis to avoid uneven posture. When held confidently, truck drivers demonstrate strong air awareness and control, especially during high-amplitude tricks. Octopus grab. The octopus grab involves crossing the skier's arms while grabbing both skis on opposite sides, creating a complex and visually chaotic posture. This grab demands exceptional air awareness because crossing arms can easily restrict movement and disrupt balance. Octopus grabs are rarely used in high-level competition runs due to their difficulty and potential risk, but they remain highly respected in creative freestyle edits. The grab creates a dramatic visual effect because of the unnatural body configuration and layered positioning of skis and arms. Skiers performing octopus grabs must maintain strong core stability to prevent rotation inconsistencies. When executed cleanly, the grab highlights creativity and advanced control. The unpredictable appearance of the octopus grab makes it stand out as a unique expression of freestyle individuality.